that fast lane though. Cam Meekins and Chris Webby. Living in the fast lane, eyes on the road, hands on the wheel, empty bottles on the floor. I don't even know where I'm about to go. My future's undetermined, so I'm taking life slow. And you know, what will I be in 10 years? That's a good question. But right now I'm chilling as a neighborhood legend. I've learned a lot of lessons every day. I'm still growing as a man in this fucking fast lane that I've chosen. Flowing every second of my life, destined for the mic. 4 mixtapes and I'm consecutively nice. Webby spit it tight on a jet into the night, moving quicker than the young Wayne Gretzky on the ice. Alright, successful is all I really wanna be, dude. Eating seafood at a crib with a beach view. So turn the speakers up, mic check, EQ. This is just a motherfucking preview.
Let me take you to the fast lane, where I live my life, and I don't really need to do it right, cause I'm okay, living it across the globe, and I'ma keep doing what I like. And yeah, that's right, I don't really wanna leave and stay right here.
I don't really wanna leave and stay right here.
And I ain't trying to switch it up, let's make that clear.
But I guess that's the
Man, I
life
be
I
on the
chose.
road, trying to see which way that I'ma go. Trying to make a couple dollars, it's the only way I know. I used to ride the bench, kicking flows with a knapsack. Now I pack the bleachers that I used to get my dad at. Homie, I be on some new shit, trying to play some games with the people that I'm cool with. Just because I rap, it's a matter of fact that I'll be all over the cake like some motherfucking Cool Whip. Face forward, trying to use the force, and solo. Eyes like a cup, cause they red and they solo. Worry about your promo, I'ma do me, cause I'm all about the work. Pretty soon you will see, I'ma live it, I'll be giving it 100%. Won't you let me in, trying to get a hint. Didn't mean to offend ya, I ain't trying to be friends. What's your name? Take you to the next level like a video game. Let me take you to the fast lane, where I live my life, and I don't really need to do it right, cause I'm okay, living it across the globe, and I'ma keep doing what I like. And yeah, that's right, I don't really wanna leave and stay right here.
I don't really wanna leave and stay right here.
And I ain't trying to switch it up, let's make that clear.
But I guess that's the life I'm in the fast lane, living like it's Mario Kart. Star Fox, light speed to the top of the charts. Turning up the treble while I'm bumping the percussion, cause you know you gotta hit when Matty Trump's on the production. I'll be busting in the fast lane, no one catching Webby. I'm just living like Andretti and my right foot's heavy. Pedal on the flow, lost on the road.